This is Sheyi Speak, and you are welcome to the Saturday News Headline. As you know, this is latest NigeriaNews.com. I welcome you. So let's check through some news. Here I have face to face with Chidinma Ojukwu, the alleged murderer of Super TV CEO. This is a very trending news, and it's part of my trending headline. So we all know that over the course of this week, from Monday to Saturday, we had this issue of Chidinma Ojukwu, who murdered Super TV CEO. Let me read some details on that before I move to other news, right? So I'm checking Tori News. As you can see here, I'm checking Tori News. It was posted by Samuel on Saturday, 26th of June. So can you see? Chidinma Ojukwu revealed not only how she dropped out of school because of poverty, but also the fact that she comes from a broken home. In fact, what some people have been saying about this is that Chidinma has this gentle and innocent looking face, right? But that's in news for another day, right? So gentility in face does not mean gentility in heart, all right? So in this revealing piece, Chidinma Ojukwu, the alleged murderer of the Super TV CEO, speaks about her life, right? So I don't want to say much, but she's a 21-year-old girl, 300 level of mass communication, University of Lagos, Yaba, suspected of murdering Usifo Ataga, Chief Executive Officer, Super TV. As in an interview with Saturday Sun, opened up on her life, right? So she opened up on some things at the State Criminal Investigation Department, Panti, Lagos, where she is currently being held pending the conclusion of investigation into the alleged murder, and her former charge to court revealed not only how she dropped out of school, I've said that before, right? Not just because of poverty, but also the fact that she comes from a broken home. So she said, "My dad raised me. I don't have contact with my mom. We don't talk. I have an older sister and a younger sister." Other things she told Saturday's Sun include how she went into the life of drugs. Yeah, there was a viral picture that, yes, over the course of this week, that showed her smoking. I can't say what she was smoking specifically. Maybe cigarettes, maybe weed, maybe tobacco. I don't know. But she was smoking something. You can check that out. So a fellow student who spoke to her paper expressed shock over her involvement with the cold-blooded murder of the TV entrepreneur. But the girl who regrets her action advises other ambitious girls to learn from her mistake. Right? She said that the last time she visited campus was before the coronavirus pandemic lockdown. So she said because there was no money, blah, blah. So let's just check other news. I believe you gained some things already. So if I go back to Punch and see some things here, Baba Ijesha, movie practitioners warn Iyabo Ojo in Nkechi Blessing. As you know that Baba Ijesha, a Yoruba actor, has had some rape allegation on him. So they are warning him here. You can check some things. IPOB, police crush 3 ESN camps in Imo. Why we have kept mum on Baba Ijesha case, movie practitioners, right? So also on that one, again, gunmen kidnap Ekiti monarch. Gunmen have abducted Oba Benjamin Osho, the Eleda of Edaile in the Ekiti East Council area of Ekiti State. The gunmen were said to have whisked the traditional ruler away from his farm in the presence of his wife on Friday evening, on June 25, 2021, evening of that day. The incident happened barely 2 months after a monarch, blah, 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 blah. You can read the details on this site. I don't want to read all for you, but the issue of kidnapping and insecurity has really become a very threatening issue in this part of the world, in Nigeria, and it's really, really saddening because almost every week now we hear cases of this, right? So yeah, Euro 2020, Dobak brace Seals 4-0 win as Denmark send Wales packing. Morata abuse not acceptable, says teammate Danny Olmo. We won't accept payment of percentage salaries again. Ondo workers tell Akeredolu. Akeredolu, Rotimi, like, or you say Rotimi Akeredolu is the incumbent governor of Ondo State. Foundation tax authorities on provision of free sanitary pads for female students. So we have some other things. Police rescue 4 abducted students in Zamfara, like this. So you can see it. Abia APC mobilizes to raise power from PDP 2023. So you can see some other things here. So as I'm scrolling to just be checking some news, Tinubu shares his opinion on Nigeria breaking up. Buhari trip postponement linked to protests in London and all that. So thank you very much for following through on this news headline. Well, I'm not able to say all, but like Ireland will continue after this, so you still gain more exciting things. So let's move over to Ireland. All right, so we'll be concluding this headline on nairaland.com. So let's look at the trending news this Saturday, June the 26th, 2021. Look at some things here, the recent ones. Anambra gubernatorial election, 11 aspirants call for cancellation of APC primary. So that is one of the trending news, the Anambra election. And Charles Soludo is one of the trending candidates also election. I think he won his party seat also. Look at other news here. President Buhari launches WADA, WADA, says drug abuse deadlier than insurgency. Kisses scandal. Matt Hancock resigns as Britain's health secretary. In fact, this is the most trending news for today, aside from that of Anambra Guba. Matt Hancock is actually the current UK health secretary, and he was caught via a CCTV camera actually kissing one of his aides. Can you imagine? And he actually resigned. Like, how many political office holder can do that? Nigerian becomes first black African woman elected as mayor in Ireland. Governor Zulum suspends NGO courts training shooters in quotes at Bono Hotel. You can see other news. TB Joshua funeral details released by Synagogue Church. So from what I saw, I think from July 5 to July 11. So exactly 1 month after he died on June 5. So by July 5 would make it 1 month, and that's when the funeral was started. And I also saw that a successor will be announced by the church, which will most likely be Pastor Evelyn, the wife of the late TB Joshua. Right? So you can see other news here. Nigeria cannot beat Mexico with home-based players. This is from Raw. Raw is the Super Eagles coach. That's the Nigeria national team coach. You can see what here. How I end up washing people's poo as a graduate with 2-1. Cubana reacts, BB Nigeria reunion and all that. See other trending news here this Saturday. Thank you very much for following through. I really appreciate you. Stay tuned on more exciting stuff on this channel. I remain Sheyi Speak, and this is Inspired Success Inspirational. God bless you plenty.